Geoengineering, a great idea or a sinister government plot. Also known as chemtrails, geoengineering is the government program to spray chemicals into the air to reflect the sun's rays and avert or reduce global warming. However, some parties contend that the government's actual goal is to spray poison into the air and harm people. Is there possibly a new threat to humanity that stems from this modern age?
Chemtrails are released from the cargo bays of airplanes. Allegedly, they are harmful to the human body. One of the common misunderstandings is that chemtrails are contrails. Contrails are water vapor that appears behind a plane's engine. Also, contrails appear several meters away from the plane, as they cannot appear in the 1800°F zone that is behind the plane's engine. Chemtrails appear on or near the plane because they are dropped from the bay or the wings instead of the engines.
According to some groups, chemtrails are made of barium nano aluminium-coated fiberglass known as chaff, thorium, cadmium, chromium, nickel, desiccated blood, mold spores, yellow fungal microtoxins, ethylene diambride, and polymer fibers. However, multiple governments state that chemtrails are made of non-toxic chemicals that are intended to prevent global climate change.
There are groups that state that chemtrails are intended to harm the general populace with research that support their claims. But there also exist groups with their own research that claim this geoengineering is only to prevent climate change. Although some of these groups have admitted that there may be some potential birth defects and respiratory issues as a result of these sprayings.
In conclusion, there are claims that chemtrails are intended to harm people and the environment, but there are also claims that say that these chemicals are not intended to harm people. Both sides provide studies and research, but the question still lingers. Are chemtrails hurting us?